Okay, so day 13, we're still on Santorini Island. We are on a boat cruise in a traditional boat. There's 7 people, and yeah, just really enjoying our time. We're at a volcano. There's one active. I think this one's active on the other side, you said.
No, this one here is active.
And there's some that are non-active, but enjoying the day so far. They're going to provide us with a yummy dinner and some wine, so looking forward to that. And then we get to go back to Hawaii and see the sunset from the boat or something like that. Anyways,
maybe.
Good day so far.
This is our little boat cruise. We're just going around the island.
Nice colored waters again.
Yeah! Oh, and what's Scott got?
What's Jess got?
Cheers!
Cheers! Okay, we're finishing up our cruise and we're heading back to Oya, I think how it's supposed to be pronounced. And we got a nice view of the sunset. It's almost going down across Canada. Something. And yeah, quite the nice tour here that we had. We met a cool bunch of people from England and France and China. So yeah, good day overall. We did a lot of swimming and seen a lot of fish, and we got like a whirlwind of fish around me. Like I chummed the waters and they like swirled all around. It was pretty cool. Really cool.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just watching the sunset with Scott on our boat is so nice.
You can actually look at it.
Yay!
And not get your eyes hurt.
Yay!